Climb inside the 2011 Ford Focus. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, Sirius satellite radio, tire pressure monitoring system, and one-touch window functionality. Available sync technology will activate MP3 and Bluetooth-enabled devices with simple voice commands. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including front and side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Advanced Track electronic stability control with anti-lock brakes is a state-of-the-art system which constantly monitors road conditions. The personal safety system includes 7 protection technologies which work together to help protect occupants. Come down to our dealership. Allow us to demonstrate our commitment to excellence.